Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important for you because in this video I'm sharing very stylish, very beautiful and almost all design, style and creative ideas and perspectives of how you can design very beautiful hand embroidered face masks. Friends, in this video you are going to see amazingly stunning 500 amazing design ideas of face masks. But friends, all you have to do is be humble and get creative ideas by enlightening the bulb of your brains. Friends, you are seeing the whole entire design patterns very beautifully make floral patterns onto face masks, but the scope of this is not limited to only face masks, as I have been sharing my comments, sharing my views, opinions with you in my previous videos, onto which I have been sharing a very wide variety of easy and self-made designer style face masks. So I am repeating it again that my most of the times effort and concern is to use one embroidery patterns in a variety of ways, in a number of ways, to utilize maximum potential of one embroidery patterns. And similarly, this time I am sure that you can make these very beautiful design ideas onto your pillow covers, cushion covers, for a wide variety of your home decor ideas, like your curtain covers, table covers, teapot covers, onto your fashionable accessories like glass covers, mobile covers, onto your footwear items, onto your baby footwears, onto your handmade hand knitted stuff like sweaters, knitted gloves, head warmers, hats, neck warmers, baby bonnets. And not only this, the scope is beyond your thoughts and beyond your expectations. Yes friends, you have heard it right, because these massively designed very beautiful light and dark color combination flowers, along with some funky patterns like bicycle, motorbike patterns, like floral bouquets, like heart-shaped floral patterns, all of these are extremely exquisite and intricate views. And traditionally all geographical boundaries of the world use these embroidery patterns: Chinese embroidery, Indian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, Brazilian embroidery, Indian embroidery, Pakistani embroidery, Japanese embroidery, and much more geographical regions of the world. So all you have to do is kindly do try these patterns onto different variations, onto different perspectives. Like in the later part of the video you are seeing these patterns onto hats as well. So friends, I hope that my today's video was helpful for you and you have been entertained with the extremely designed, exquisitely made, beautiful design patterns. So thank you so much for watching my content. Stay blessed, stay tuned. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas and trendy patterns. Up till then, take care of yourselves and spread positivity and be a cause of positive motivation for others. We will soon be back along with new design ideas. Stay concerned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.